Very good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Very respected, our own, my elder brother, CA Suresh Prabhuji, our honorable former Union Minister of Railway. तो मैडम ने अभी जिस प्रोजेक्ट की बात करी, एक्रूअल अकाउंटिंग की, वो ड्रीम प्रोजेक्ट जो है वो सर का ही हमारे को दिया हुआ एक ड्रीम प्रोजेक्ट था. सर ने हमें चैलेंज किया था कि इस प्रोजेक्ट को अतुल हम लोगों ने करना है, और दैट इज़ समथिंग दैट वी ट्राई टू कंट्रीब्यूट. वेरी रिस्पेक्टेड M.V. Rao साहब, द चेयरमैन एंड मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर ऑफ सेंट्रल बैंक ऑफ इंडिया एंड द प्रेसिडेंट इंडियन बैंकर्स एसोसिएशन IBA. अगेन वेरी डियर ब्रदर, जैसा कि मैडम ने कहा, आज विवेक जी के साथ हमारा ऐसा है कि हम उनको मतलब फैमिली से मतलब एक इंटीग्रल पार्ट ऑफ द फैमिली जो है विवेक भाई बन चुके हैं. तो हमारे गेस्ट ऑफ ऑनर विवेक भाई हु कम ऑल द वे फ्रॉम दुबई टू अटेंड दिस पर्टिकुलर इवेंट. संदीप सर, CA संदीप गुप्ता जी, बहुत पुराना संबंध सर के साथ, और सर ने आज इस प्रोग्राम को एग्री किया. ग्रेशियस प्रेजेंस के लिए सर थैंक यू वेरी मच. CA संदीप गुप्ता जी, द चेयरमैन एंड द मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर ऑफ द गैस अथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडिया लिमिटेड, गेल. Rajiv sir, again sir, is a elder brother and the vice chairman of the former vice chairman of the Niti Aayog. Sir का हमेशा ही blessings. और sir, just to share with you all the awardees as well who are going to receive the award today, that sir is the chair of the jury as well. So he is only the person behind this all these awards getting selected on a very very meritorious way. No discussion, only sir will like a बुलंद no discussion, सिर्फ only on the matrix table merit only the decision will be there. हमारे अपने CA दीपक बत्रा जी, जो हमारे इसके ऑनररी डायरेक्टर हैं ESG रिसर्च फाउंडेशन के, CEO राजेश भल्ला जी, माय एल्डर ब्रदर एंड द मेंटर फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस CA अरुण गुप्ता जी. हमारे बीच में ऑडियंस में भी कुछ ऐसे मेंबर्स हैं जिनको मैं चाहूँगा कि मैं जिनको रिकॉग्नाइज़ करूँ. हमारे बीच में मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूँगा सर, एक बार सभी लोग आप उनका भी स्वागत करिएगा. CA डॉक्टर विनीत कोठारी जी, जो हमारे फॉर्मर चीफ जस्टिस हैं गुजरात हाई कोर्ट के, जिन्होंने अपना टाइम स्पेयर किया. हमारे बीच में CA उपेंद्र गुप्ता जी, जो फॉर्मर चीफ कमिश्नर GST, फॉर्मर चीफ कमिश्नर GST रहे हैं सब. हमारे साथ CA परवीन गर्ग जी भी हैं, जो IAS रिटायर्ड हैं, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ एनवायरनमेंट से स्पेशल सेक्रेटरी. हमारे साथ संजीव पत जोशी जी, जो IPS हैं. हमारे साथ गोड़ा साहब, जो LIC हाउसिंग फाइनेंस के अपने जो है वो एग्जीक्यूटिव डायरेक्टर रहे हैं. और अमित भाई, जो स्टार्टअप की दुनिया के एक बड़े स्टार हैं आज, 2 बड़े फंड चलाते हैं, सेबी गवर्नड अल्टरनेटिव इन्वेस्टमेंट फंड्स. और सभी मेरे मित्र, डिस्टिंग्विश कुलीग्स, मैं सबका नाम नहीं ले पा रहा हूँ. दुबे सर कहाँ हैं? सर आप पीछे क्यों बैठे हैं? आइए ना सर, प्लीज़ आगे आ जाए. मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूँगा दुबे सर को. सर, दुबे सर इज़ बिटवीन अस, ही इज़ दी फॉर्मर CMD ऑफ द कैनरा बैंक, a very humble personality. हमारे बोर्ड ऑफ एडवाइज़र में भी हैं. Sir, once again, very good evening to all of you. As I mentioned you, I will not be able to take all the names. And even Central Bank of India से ED साहब भी हमारे बीच में हैं. तो मुकुल जी, कोई बात नहीं सर, जो भी निकल गया मुंह से सर, प्रभु की इच्छा. तो very good evening once again. Friends, let me welcome all of you in this second global conference on ESG and the Prithvi Awards 2024. Friends, as we discussed on many occasions and the entire day, that we are all witnessing the challenges because of the climate change, the widespread flood, you are aware about the high temperature we witnessed in the last June or May, when it was touching around 52 degree at certain locations, the landslides and even the rains. So last time, on a lighter side, I just wish to share with you, we organized this program in the July 14th, 2023, and there was a heavy rain, so everybody suggested me that we should postpone this program at least for 2 months, so that there should not be any rain. But this time we organized on the 14th of September, still the rain is there. So actually that is accompanying us to remind us that we all have to work for this planet and the Mother Earth. Friends, so we are all aware that it is we who are responsible for this entire ecological disbalance, and because of that only we are witnessing that there are the widespread implication of the climate change. Now, my dear friends, it's important for all of us that together we have to save this planet, the Mother Earth, and see and ensure that this planet will be there for the generations to come. Now, my dear friends, everybody has to contribute, and each one of us will be in our own different way. We started this ESG Research Foundation with a vision and aim that not only we will try to spread the awareness, but also initiate the various constructive steps to save the planet in our own way. My dear friends, since I'm aware that we are very short of time, I'm skipping the many initiatives which the ESG Research Foundation is doing in the last few years when it started in 3 years back. Just to brief you, 2-3 important initiatives which the Honorable Guest of Honor and the Chief Guest Sir would also like to know. The first one is that we have started a concept called Sustainability Pledge, wherein right now already there are 4,000 plus volunteers have taken the pledge in a way that they will be following the best practices. And I just wish to share with you that not only individuals we are approaching, but now the corporates like the Relaxo, Footwears and the other companies are coming, joining together, and they are saying even to the customer who are coming to their showrooms, they will try to convince them that they should take the pledge and the best practices to save this environment. Then, my dear friend, the second aspect which we have started is the creating the awareness among the schools children. I just wish to share with you, in the last 1 year, we taught more than 10,000 students on a voluntary basis. We approached more than 100 schools, our volunteers, and without cost charging even a single penny, we are teaching the students just to ensure they catch them young, that okay, let us give the kind of awareness among the students so that they can give back to their family that okay, what kind of best practices we should be following. And for that, today we are going to launch a coffee book as well with the hand of the Honorable Chief Guest Sir, that the entire initiative taken. The third one, which is again apart from these various awareness program, the third launch for the day will be a small movie. Vivek ji is there with us, so we thought that okay, let us take the benefit of Vivek ji, and we will be launching a very small short movie which will be giving an inspiration to save the water as well. So my dear friends, apart from these, there are the many initiatives including these kind of awareness program and the recognition to the sustainability warriors or the sustainability icons who are contributing to this entire ecosystem as far as the ESG is concerned. So my dear friends, this will be a full the full day we were witnessing the various technical sessions, and now the time has come when we will be hearing the experts, the mentors and the wisdom of our guest of honor and the chief guest, and then there will be award ceremony followed by the award ceremony which will witness, as I mentioned you, the awards to the various sustainability icons. I just wish to share with you that we received more than 50 applications. As usual, our jury is very strict. They are very thorough that okay, we will not give the award as if in a very simple way, and they selected only 26 entries out of the 50 plus entries we received. So I will just congratulate all the winners that it's not a case that okay, you applied and you got something. It's very, I will say, the tough process was there. And just to share with the Honorable Chief Guest and the Guest of Honor, sir, that normally what is happening in the society that you apply for a nomination along with the nomination fees and then you will get the reward. But just to share with you, sir, like just to maintain the ethics and the sincerity, we are not charging even a single penny for the nominations, and even the guys who are coming here to receive the nomination awards, they are also completely, we are not charging even a single paisa from them to participate in this particular function. So we are trying to maintain the sanctity of the award in that fashion. So with this, I'm aware that we are all eager to hear the guest of honor and the chief guest rather than I'm speaking. I'm there with you from since morning. So let me conclude with once again, thanks to each one of you for such coming in such a large numbers, motivating us and to give us a target that the next time the program should be in a bigger hall as compared to this hall. Thank you very much.